Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the dataset where the notebook can reach it, then open Jupyter and select the exact Python kernel you need. Check that pandas and any reader libraries are installed, and if not, install them now, otherwise imports will fail. Once done, restart the kernel to pick up new packages. You do this to avoid path and dependency errors early, so the next cell focuses on reading data rather than troubleshooting environment issues. You now write the read call. For CSVs, use PD, read CSV and path separators or encoding when necessary, because defaults can misparse values. For Excel, use PD, read Excel with engine specified to avoid engine ambiguity. Once the data frame loads, preview with head and info to confirm types and missing data. If columns parse incorrectly, apply dtype or converters in the read function. This prevents a later type mismatch. You finish by saving any clean data frame so your work is reproducible, and choose a compact format like Pickle for large intermediate states. If imports fail, check the working directory with OS. Get could and switch to absolute paths. This resolves most file not found errors. For encoding or parser issues, explicitly set encoding or use chunk size to stream big files. If a problem persists, restart the kernel, rerun initialization cells, and run the read step alone to isolate the fault. That single troubleshooting tip will save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.